What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and I'm back with another Dollar Tree haul. So let's go ahead and hop right into my haul. So you guys, I've been on the hunt for a really cute pack of Amy Tangerine stickers. I haven't found them yet. However, I did find this super cute set here at Dollar Tree. This is the Hazelwood 1 Canoe 2 Variety by American Crafts. And I think it's so cute. I love these kind of gray leaves. We have some foiled stickers here, gold foil. I love this pretty color. It's like a pretty lilac. Adventure waits. Jot it down. I love the little cute sticker page flags. I love this set. And we get more on the back. We have a gorgeous butterfly. I love the big camera, the arrows. This is just so cute to me. Sweet and splendid. We have the whole outdoorsy theme here on this little sticker tag. And more cute little page flags. This was the only one that I saw there. Of course, I grabbed it. There's only one Dollar Tree in my area out of 3 that have these name brand stickers. So every week when I go out, I'm just looking for these. I think they're so nice. Now this set that I have underneath actually came from Walmart, but to those of you that love stickers, I figure you wouldn't mind if I threw these in. This is a 98-cent sticker album. And I love everything because it's so kawaii. The sticker album is a 14-page album. And then we get these cute little stickers here, and these are all foiled. So cute. I am a sucker for anything kawaii. I love this little girl here. She's so cute to me. They're all so cute, really, and I love the strawberries. Let's talk about what's new this week. This is an empty. You guys, it was delicious. This is the Haribo Star Mix. You get the cola, you get the cherry, you get the little rings. That was my first time ever having gummy rings. There's like maybe 1 or 2 or 3, I don't know, just a few gummy bears inside. And you get the twin snakes. And the twin snakes are actually fresh and not hard and stale like all the other packs of twin snakes that I've tried. But these are new by Haribo. We really like that pack, and I'm really glad that I got 2. Here's what it looks like up close. The rings are just so cute. So cute and unexpected because I really didn't pay attention to the pictures down below, but that is truly what you get inside. And I got some of these. These are also empties. The Lay's stacks. You get just 5.5 ounces. This one has not been eaten. I just didn't even tell my kids that I got 3. I think they think that I only got 2. And then I got one in original. Again, this is 5 3/4 ounces. And these are 5.5 ounces. Great reusable containers. If your kids have some little toys or crayons or something they want to throw in there. Birdy loved this so much. I had a sip and I thought it was amazing. This is the Galactic Berry Fruit Smoothie by Cosmic Fruit Smoothies. It's non-GMO, gluten-free and vegan, and you get lots of fruit in each serving. These are 12 ounces. Birdy was really excited to see these, so she picked one out for her brother. She got this one for Bunny. This is the Mango Eclipse. I thought it was okay. He said he doesn't really like mango drinks that much, but I thought it was all right. It contains 1 mango and 1 apple. And Gator had this one, and this is the strawberry banana, and this is what you get in each bottle. They all drank them right away. They drank them down. They really liked them. This is also another repeat buy, and I don't know if Birdy just put too much water in it, but she said this make your own snow kit feels kind of like that stuff that's in diapers. I don't know why she got it. Maybe she was hoping it would be kind of like slime, but I don't think she liked it that much. I found the unicorn lip gloss. These are the only two varieties that they offer. This one with the purple mane has a gold glitter horn. So cute. And the little thing of lip gloss you just pop open down below. I didn't open it up yet. I thought it was so cute though. And I love this one. I love the colors of this mane too. I really love both of them. And this one has an iridescent glitter horn. Those are so cute. I was really not expecting to see those at all. I got some more polish, you guys. I got an LA Color white. I think it's white. I hope it's not pearly. It's called Energy Source. I do like to wear white polish from time to time. I think it looks really clean and pretty, especially in the summertime. Then I got this light blue, and I thought it was just so pretty. I hope I don't have a color like this already. I don't think I do, though. It's called Glass Slipper. And I just love how dusty and soft this blue is. I think it's just gorgeous. And then I also needed to pick up a new deodorant, and this is Shower Fresh. I usually get Powder Fresh. Wow, I don't know if I've ever tried the Shower Fresh. It smells good. Like I said, I definitely prefer the powder one, but that's okay. In my opinion, you can't go wrong with Secret, and you especially can't go wrong with Secret if you're paying just $1 for it. One of my favorite Secrets is this macaroon one they came out with, you guys. And have you guys seen the little Secret balls? They're like little EOS balls, like the lip balm balls or the Revo balls. They have little deodorant ones like that where you twist off the top and then you can have a little deodorant on the go. And I've shown those a couple times during some of my live streams, but I think those are super cute. Okay, you guys, I have a couple other items to share. However, these items come from Family Dollar. But you guys know Family Dollar is their sister brand, and so I figured it's all one company. Let's show some more dollar items. If you guys haven't tried these, I think you'll love them. We got these for $1. These are the dill pickle sunflower seeds, and you get a lot in a bag. You get 5.35 ounces. We've been loving those since summertime, and I saw them again, so I figured why not. This is definitely a repeat buy. You guys know how I feel about the stevia. I love to put it in my coffee with my hazelnut creamer. It's so good. Okay, now you guys, these were really delicious. Uh-oh. I think I have a leaking bottle. I just grabbed this, and I think it has shampoo on it. These are so delicious, you guys, but please don't get them. These will give you extreme tooth sensitivity and pain to your teeth if you have the white amalgam fillings. These will hurt your mouth. It's been a week and a half now. I'm still trying to recover from eating these. I don't know what's in these, you guys. Stay away from these, though. As tempting as they look, it's just not worth it. So I need to find out what's leaking. Oh my gosh. This whole top was just totally loose. You guys, I got this thing of baby shampoo. This is the Kidget's baby shampoo. And as you guys can see, it's just wet. A lot of product came out here in the top. But I like to get this for Gator. And I also like to get it for my husband because he likes to clean his eyes with this. That's what his ophthalmologist recommended. So everything is probably going to be wet that I pull out of this bag. This is a $1 lotion and you get 15 ounces. I've been really liking this lotion. I use it on Gator. I have another nail polish by LA Colors. This is so pretty. It's called Weekend Escape. So I have two new pretty additions To the nail polish family, these two. This one came from Dollar Tree, and this one came from Family Dollar. But both were just $1. I can't believe Valentine's Day is coming up so soon, but I'm glad I have a little candy stash going. I bought these Now and Later Extreme Sours. Hopefully the kids will like them. I got these brand new Sour Patch Kids in the flavor Tropical, and I know the kids are really looking forward to trying these. They've probably forgotten about them already, so I might just save them until Valentine's Day. And these were also just $1, the Jolly Rancher Awesome Reds. These are the hard candies in cherry, watermelon, strawberry, and fruit punch. Everyone in my family loved these. Everyone got just a few. They are so good, you guys. Everything is so delicious. My favorite is probably the strawberry, then the fruit punch, then the watermelon, then the cherry, but all of them are really, really good. Even though I said Gator wasn't going to get anything last time we were live streaming in Family Dollar, he ended up getting one Hot Wheels car. This is actually like a Jeep. It's the custom Ford Bronco. I loved the bright orange colors and the blues. I'm looking around in the room here to see if it's in here, and guess what, you guys? It's actually in the room. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I just couldn't resist this. I loved the colors, and I just thought it was really unique. I love the whole wave on here and everything. Well, all right, you guys, if you enjoyed this haul and you want to see more hauls like it, please let me know you do by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down below in the comments. Make sure you hit that little bell, turn on notifications. And if you guys haven't yet, please go ahead and join my YouTube family by hitting that subscribe button. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.